I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Adding a credit card to LBank is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Open the LBank app or website and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, find the payment or wallet section in your account settings. This is where you can manage your payment methods. Step 3. Select Add Credit Card. Look for the option to add credit card and click on it. This will bring up a form to enter your card details. Step 4. Enter your card information. Fill in the required fields with your credit card information, including the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure everything is accurate to avoid errors. Note, if you enter an incorrect CVV, the system will prompt you to recheck your details. Step 5. Confirm and save. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the SROC.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Now you're all set to use your credit card on LBank. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out for help. Happy trading!